Welcome to the sixth conference
on how to avoid joint replacement.
Mes dar neesam pasiruošę į sąnarių protezavimą.
First of all, I want to thank Rimtotas. He extended my career for one more year.
We're very proud that SKCAN has a patronage on this Congress. It's an honor to be here with three titans of sport. The one who helps, the one who makes it possible, and the one who's doing it.
Without these people, there is no motivation to be here.
I like this topic. We are not ready for the joint replacement, so I think that we will have answers how to do it.
My goal was, to be honest, to meet friends. There is this, what I call scientific friendship, and over the years we've established a strong scientific friendship, not only with Professor Gudas and Aurelius, but also with the great people from Geos Clinicus.
Science is also important to understand what we have done in the past, what we can do in the future.
This is done just for our patients, to make them all happy. Everyone now can read the scientific articles, but technology changing every year. So it's important to follow technology and to see what's going on practically. It's not easy to use this technology, so we want to show more practical issues.
Medicine is about moving forward, you don't want to stagnate, so it's the reason why we meet in conferences.
Science can be fun, of course.
Challenging, but fun.
To be honest, at the end of the results, and if it's finally published, then it's fun. Before that, it's work.
We do a lot of scientific research in our activities. We have some challenges. For example, with this robot, we had challenge to do the body tracking in this way. Very serious part, okay? But when we go playing with kids, it instantly becomes very fun.
The fun thing that a lot of digital things are coming to the industry. We heard the robotics in surgical techniques. We had the different type of feedback things when we are using the rehabilitation. More and more technologies are going in. Also, we had some conclusions from the artificial intelligence. So it means that we are on the way to be smarter but more precise in the treatment options. So this is the fun as well.